Hello, Whiteboard.chat now includes a molecule editor. Here's how you use it. Go into the Tools section to find the molecule editor option. Scroll the way down and that brings up the molecule editor panel. So you can start creating your molecules in there. So chemistry teachers might be familiar with this tool. Here I'm just making a fictitious molecule. Now you can download the picture of this molecule as a scalable vector graphic. Copy this text that shows up in this panel using Control C or Command C and just paste it onto the whiteboard. That pastes an image. It's an image, so you can resize it and make any other manipulations as you'd like. You can continue editing the molecule. You can copy the SVG again, paste the modified version as well. Now this tool also helps you edit the pictures that you of the molecules that you put onto the board. So let's take a look at how the teacher can help students do that. You need to mark the images as either clone or move so that the students can select these images. I'm going to invite a student to this board now. So there's a student joining in. So as usual, the student would type in his or her name and then join the board. This is the page 1, going to page 2. So there the student sees the 2 molecules that the teacher added. The panel is open for the student as well because the teacher opened the panel. Student selects the molecule and now there's a new option for copy SVG, and the tool allows you to import this SVG as an editable molecule. So paste it, hit accept, and now you have the molecule available as an editable molecule. The students can make changes to it and then use the same technique to again copy the SVG, paste it onto their board as an image. And as usual, since this is just an image, the teacher can always go to the grid view and be able to see the new images that students paste in there. Hope you like it. Thank you.